Hey friends, in today's video we'll be building a remote control car using a Node MCU. So let's get started. First, we'll attach the DC motor to the chassis. If you need any of the components shown in this video or need guidance, you can contact the Leobotics team. The number is in the description. As you can see, I have now attached the DC motor to the chassis. In the same way, I have attached both BO motors. Now I am going to attach the caster wheel to the chassis. Now, I'm going to attach the wheel to the BO motor. Here, I'm going to use the Node MCU ESP3266. Now, I'm going to attach the Node MCU to the mini breadboard. For controlling the motor, I am using an L298N motor driver. I am going to use double-sided tape to stick both of these onto the chassis. Here, I'm using two 3.7-volt lithium-ion batteries as the power supply. Now, I'll attach the battery holder to the chassis using double-sided tape. On the screen, I've shown all the wiring connections. Make sure to connect the wires exactly the same way. Here, I have completed all the wiring connections. Now I'm going to upload the code to the Node MCU. Now you can see I'm able to control the car using my mobile app. If you need any help or guidance, feel free to contact the Leobotics team. The number is in the description.